So we got most of running working. I just want to add a few more things today. If I go into a scene, let's grab, for example, a scene with another platform. If I go up there, okay, you don't go into the falling motion while you're running. So I'm going to fix that. We already have most of the parts ready to fix this. I'm going to go into the animator. And all I got to do is add a few transitions. This is getting kind of dirty. I need to organize it. Anyways, I need a transition from running to fall, and the condition is going to be grounded as false. No exit time. Grounded is false. And same thing from run to stop to fall. Exit time none. Set up the graph. Grounded is false. Okay, same thing here, running turn. Transition to fall. Here it is. Get rid of the exit time. And the condition is grounded as false. And for all three of them, I'm going to add the ground detecting ability. So this was for running. For turning, ground detector. Run to stop. Add a slot. Add the ground detector. Okay, I think that might be everything. If I click play, wait, I'm gonna go into the scene, and I'm just gonna have the player start here. Okay. So now if I run and fall, if you're not grounded, you go into the fall animation, and your ability to move is restricted. You can also fall while you're in the turning motion, if you time it right. Okay. As well as the stopping motion, you go into the fall if you get off the ledge. Okay, looks good. There's still a lot of issues. For example, okay, you can get into the jumping motion right before you fall, which doesn't make any sense. Or let me try grabbing the ledge as you fall, which you cannot do for now. I think I'm going to fix that later. We also don't have a running jump, but I'm happy that the basic mechanics are working fine. Running, stopping, and turning. We also have the ledge grab working well. I can go on and on with the polishing, but starting from the next video, I think I'm going to move on to AI navigation, because it's not a game if you don't have any interaction between the player and the AI or the NPC. So once I'm done with that kind of core stuff, I think I can come back to polishing later on and take care of all the details and all the little issues. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to give me any ideas, and I guess that's it for this short video. Thanks for watching.